cut sharp, but I don't care. Lean through the turns, feel the engine cry, chasing that line where the eagles fly. Long way down on the canyon side, one wrong move, it's a deadly ride. But I don't slow, I was born to feel every inch of this road is real. I ride free through the hills and the valleys deep. No chains on me, just the road as far as I can see. I ride free. Sun burns low on the ridge ahead, paints the sky in a blazing red. Throttle down, hear that freedom sound, it goes loud as it shakes the ground. Cold night air as I push on through, stars shine down in a midnight blue. Every mile got a story to tell of a life I ride and I ride it well. I ride free through the hills and the valleys deep. No chains on me, just the road as far as I can see. I ride free. And I won't back down, won't turn around. This road's my blood, this road's my ground. Through every curve, through every climb, this freedom's yours and this freedom's mine. I ride free through the mountains, wild and untamed. No chains on me, and I'll never be the same. I ride free. Fast on the rise through the mountainside, wind in my face, nowhere to hide. Steel and the fire burning inside, lean through the edge on this wild ride. Cliffs fall away down to the blue, one slip of the line and it's all through. Still I push on, got nothing to lose. Born for the Sawed-up, chroma, map folded in a tank bag, coffee in a paper cup, dust on my old boots, yeah. Wind hits, visor up, blue sky like a long drag, miles humming under us, heart beating like it just woke up. I'm riding high on wild, chasing every crooked mile, mountain shadows, open skies, I feel the weight just fall behind. Riding high on wild, nowhere else I'd rather ride. If I can see that road of mine, I'm doing fine. I'm doing fine. Two lane, no name, guardrails and drop off. Down in that deep cut, snow-capped switchbacks, everything at the top lost, but feels like coming home every time the ground falls off. I'm riding high on wild, chasing every crooked mile, mountain shadows, open skies, I feel the weight just fall behind. Riding high on wild, nowhere else I'd rather ride. If I can see that road unwind, I'm doing fine. I'm doing fine. Helmet off at the overlook, sun sinking slow in the pines. Tell me where else I could breathe like this, where else I could feel this alive.